In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The PPC cell is now officially open.
Sa araw ng mga puso, formal na binuksan ang pinakabagong pamantasan sa probinsya ng Pangasinan. Ito ang Pangasinan Polytechnic College na alok ang libreng pag-aaral para sa mga Pangasinense. Pagsasakatuparan ito ni Governor Ramon Gico III sa pangakong libreng pag-aaral at pagtitiyak sa kinabukasan at oportunidad para sa mga kabataan.
I'm a bit emotional because I started my political career establishing an educational institution in our hometown of Binalonan. During the term of my father, now Congressman Monching Gico Jr., I was still, like Patrick, I was head of our small schools, and we had the heart to actually establish a school for our town, knowing full well that it's going to be a key factor in the progress of our hometown.
Ang pagtatayo nito ay sinimulan noong nakarang taon sa tulong ng Provincial Ordinance No. 300-2023 at naamyendahan ng Provincial Ordinance No. 314-2024. Nabuo ito sa pagtutulungan ng pamahalang panlalawigan sa Commission on Higher Education at ang College and Institutes Canada.
Transformative vision that led us to this very historic moment, the birth of Pangasinan Polytechnic College. The PPC aims to contribute to the realization of the provincial government of Pangasinan's 2022-2031 strategic plans, and that is to develop Pangasinan's human capital that is needed to jumpstart and or sustain the strategic initiatives such as, but not limited to, the intensification of agricultural modernization, generation of full employment through the creation of economic zones and other incentives in order to attract local and foreign investors.
Alok ng pamantasan ang 4 na baccalaureate programs na School of Human Development, School of Creativity and Design, School of Agribusiness at School of Local Governance. Kasama rin dito ang mga micro-credentials at iba pang short courses sa pakikipagtulungan ng Center for Lifelong Learning o CEL. Prioridad ng paaralan na makapag-aral ang mga estudyante at mga trainees mula sa mga mahihirap na pamilya sa Pangasinan. Inihayag naman ng College and Institute Canada ang pagbati nito sa probinsya at tiniyak ang pakikipagtulungan nito para maisakatuparan pa ang mga dagdag na programa ng paaralan.
The opening of the center embodies a lot of hope. We can imagine the incredible inspiration that is going to be given to Filipino men and women of all ages as they come here for training, as they come here to improve themselves, improve their skills, and to contribute to their communities.
This embodies our commitment to providing our fellow Pangasinenses with innovative learning environments equipped with the latest technologies and resources. It is a place where creativity flourishes, knowledge is cultivated, and skills are honed to empower the next generation of leaders and change makers in our country.
400 estudyante ang unang papasok sa pagbubukas ng pamantasan at inaasahan pa itong madadagdagan sa mga susunod na taon. Nais pa ng pamahalang panlalawigan na magbukas ng iba pang campus sa lungsod ng San Carlos at iba pang bayan sa Eastern Pangasinan para maihatid ang libreng edukasyon sa lahat. Charles Nicolimon para sa Luzon Headlines.